This is Anthony from Joice here, and today we will talk about how to find a good Chinese hair vendors. There are so many vendors on the internet. You can see it on Google, on Alibaba, on social media like Facebook and Instagram, and you will also see there are so many buyers on the internet. But the most important thing is how to build a trust between each other, because buyer is trying to find a good vendors. There are so many vendors. We have to tell out which one is good and which one is bad and which one is best for you. So how to tell a good vendor and bad vendor? I think we have to see from three perspectives. The first one is quality, the second one is price, and the third one is the service. And for quality and price, you have to see, you have to test, you have to take samples and test. And some people have the concept, and some people thinking that if a big factory will have a good quality product with lower price. That's not exactly like this. And there are hundreds of factories in a small village, and the big factory can be 500 to 1,000 workers. The small one can be only husband and wife and small machine. So, and actually, the thing is working like this. The big factory sometimes he cannot. His capacity, when he got a big order, his capacity is not enough, and he will outsource the order to the small factory, and it's working like this. And those people, including big factory, small factory, wholesaler, and small vendor, and individual workers, they are all selling the products on the internet, and so the customer service become the key factor for you to find out which is the best. I think the service is the key factor, is the most important thing. Hair is different from clothes because it requires a lot of labor work. So the quality issue is common. So what the Chinese vendor will do is that, because they will take advantage of the country border. I mean, because the customers are from America, from UK, from outside of China, and they will, and one customer is asking, I want a version here at this price. Okay, he will say, okay, I can sell you version here at this price, but because he have to guarantee the margin. So what he will do is he will give you some version here, but he will mix with some Remy here and non-Remy here to satisfy the price. And you know, because the international post charge is so expensive, so most time the customer will not return due to the high expense of postage. So they are taking advantage of this. So when you choose a vendor, you have to make it clear, and once the issue and this quality issue is from vendor side, he has to be refundable. And try to let vendors send you the picture before they sending out, and make sure the vendor are genuine person and be transparent, and he will tell what exactly the product is, instead of telling what you would like to hear. He should tell what exactly the product is. Make sure that vendors can speak English and can communicate with you well and 100% understand what you are talking about. And make sure vendor is communicative, and he's online all the time, and he will reply your message. And if you are looking for a vendor, you want to come to China and visit factory, and you need any information about hair, and you can feel free to contact me by WhatsApp, by calling, by video call, no problem. Thanks for watching and have a nice day. See you next time.